Traffic generation. Traffic is the most important thing if you want to succeed with your online business. You can have a poor offer, but if you send enough visitors to it, you will make sales. If you have the very best offer in the world and nobody is looking at it, then you will not make a cent. It is not difficult to generate traffic. This will be a short video, but a very important one. People that fail with online businesses do so because they didn't generate enough traffic to their website. No traffic equals no online business. The thing is that there are many ways that you can generate traffic to your online business. There is no reason that you should fail here because there are free methods of traffic generation and paid methods. The free methods will take more time than the paid methods, but if you are on a budget, then you just need to accept this and get on with it. You can test with paid traffic and tweak your offers and landing pages to get better results. Broad traffic. You may have seen people advertising services to send you tens of thousands of visitors for a few dollars. This is general or broad traffic. If you are marketing a product or service that will appeal to a wide range of people, in other words, weight loss, then you may find a very small percentage will be interested to learn more. The majority will not be interested. Broad traffic is basically anyone and everyone. They may be in the market to buy something, but you have no idea what this is. Rarely is it worth going after broad traffic. So resist the temptation to purchase thousands of broad traffic visitors because it doesn't work. Targeted traffic. Now think about getting visitors to your website that are actually interested in what you have to offer. Do you think that some of these visitors might convert? Yes, they will. For example, if you have a website that teaches people how to make money online, then you need to find visitors that are interested in doing this. So the bottom line here is that you need to generate as much targeted traffic as you can. Once you have set up your website, then you should spend 80% of your time on traffic generation. The more visitors you can get to your website, the more successful your online business will be. This is not rocket science. If you had a shop in the mall and nobody came into it, then you would not make any money. Well, the same thing applies to an online business. If you have no visitors, then you will not make any money, let alone 6 figures. This is how important traffic generation is. In the next video, we will continue this theme by discussing the marketing of your online business.